if you should ever get it wrong, it's not the end of the world. Just try again later. As long as you've communicated your message over, that's all you need to do. But there are those people that really like the grammar rules, and they will be able to tell you about subject and object of sentences. When I was at school, we learnt noun, verb, adjective. I still pay the mortgage. I still pay the Tesco's bill. I can drive a car. It hasn't hampered me overly not knowing it. All of the fancy stuff. But it is kind of interesting to know. And other languages are really good on this. Apparently Russia's just like amazing. Russian in Russia. You know what I mean? Anyway, how they do it is just like something else again. But for you and me, let's have a look. I have got, which is the better one? John and I went to the zoo, or John and me went to the zoo. It's John and I went to the zoo, because what you have to do is par the sentence down. I think par's a proper grammatical term. In this case, I just mean take off the most important bits. So what you do is you cut it up and you make it as short as possible. I went to the zoo. Does that sound right? I went to the zoo. Yes, it does. Would you say me went to the zoo? No, you wouldn't. So it's John and I went to the zoo. See? That's the trick. Just cut it down to where it's just you. And would you say I or me? See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, have I done that right? I'll try again.